Imagine the following. Sarah is a university graduate applying for a job. She gets invited to an interview. Full of hopes, she meets her interview partner, a distant and unpleasant guy, asking her all kinds of inappropriate questions. A pretty bad experience for Sarah that will probably result in her not pursuing this job offer after all. Change of scene. Picture Deepak, a successful new hire. He's having his first day at work and shows up at the reception, just to find out that nobody knows he's coming. The intern who picks him up after a while doesn't really know what to do with him and places him at an empty desk somewhere in a corner. Again, a very bad experience. And Deepak is asking himself whether he made the right decision. But things can also go differently. Aisha is a successful sales manager who has just managed to secure a significant deal for her company. Not only does her boss come to congratulate her, she also receives a call from the company CEO, who personally thanks her for her commitment and rewards her with a special allocation of company shares. The result? A great experience for Aisha that pushes her engagement to the next level. People have very individual experiences along their journey with a company, for example as candidates or employees. Whether these experiences are good or bad has a massive influence on their satisfaction, happiness, sense of belonging and well-being, but also on their motivation to engage for the benefit of their company and bring their best selves to work every day. This journey people embark on with a company basically has 6 stages. First, you are looking for a job, exploring your options. Then, you consider working for a specific company and apply for a job. If everything goes well, you begin working for the company, making your first steps in a new environment. Actually working there, performing your job every day, is the most intensive and longest journey stage. Then, one day, you inevitably leave the company again. And finally, you may reconnect as an alumnus or maybe even as an employee again. To find out what experiences your people are having at relevant moments along this journey, how the many interactions they are engaged in at a multitude of human, digital or physical touchpoints are perceived, and what effect they are having on them, you need to listen. You need to ask the right questions at the right time to unearth where your people's pain points lie. Surveys, focus group interviews, or co-creative ideation workshops are efficient ways to get these tangible and sometimes surprising insights. Ignite the listening spark. Collect experience data and make sense of it. Make sure that people input leads to improvement output. Monitor experience satisfaction over time and react on generated insights. That's what people experience management is all about. To successfully manage people experience, you need an organization willing to listen before acting, to take people's experiences seriously, and to bring them on board to co-create new offerings, processes, or products. And you need to be able to continuously listen and react to what you hear, with an efficient data evaluation infrastructure in place. This isn't easy, but it's a worthwhile endeavor. For people like Sarah, Deepak, or Aisha, who will not only feel good and respected, but also empowered, enabled, and motivated to give their best every day. And for every company that wants to master the transformation of achieving sustainable business success and employability of its people.